We are now in China, almost number 3 to make button switches, indicator light, and toggle switches. Hello, my name is Taijul and I'm from Bangladesh. I work in this factory almost 3 years, and our factory brand name is Flin, and we came here today for exhibition. It's a Shanghai Hotelex exhibition. I'm working here almost 3 years. Basically, we are switches factory. Most of the switches like fridge switches, coffee machine switches, blender switches. Basically, this Hotelex exhibition switches we make. Most of the booths all our customers, and our factory have 25 years experience. We are now in China, almost number 3 leading company in China to make button switches, indicator light, and toggle switches, many products.
So how has your experience been so far at Hotelex, and how valuable is this Hotelex for engaging directly with international customers?
Okay, first of all, we have such a long time experience that we also went to many country exhibition like Italy. We went there. We went Brazil. We went to South Korea just in last month. So we have experience. We went in many other countries. We have many experience. We know what is our customer looking forward in, maybe in future what they want to do. We can manufacture as they want, and our main advantage is we are rapidly growing. We are making development new switches, not the old switches. This is our main advantage for our customer, that we are moving forward, not just maybe some factory what they do. They have some old product and this just continue selling, but we don't do that. We continue developing new products, and we are trying to see how our customer will move forward in future, what they will make. We will try to reshape with them, read their product like this.
So what's your brand current expansion plans?
Our brand, we have almost 5 countries. We already have some distributor there, and almost 100 plus country. We already have big customer like I can share with you some brand name like Starbucks is our Electrus, and also have Parker in America. Like we have many big brand company all over the world, and we're also looking forward to make a new customer.
How important is a meeting, conference, and events like this one set your overall business strategy?
This is very important because customer can directly come to our booth, see what is our new product, and also our old customer can come to visit. That if they have some problem, they can share with us. We can have a conversation like that, and it's called unity with the customers. It's very important.